Okay, here's just a short little video just to let you know that I did get a electrician to come in and wire up for the pond there. I've got two GFCI receptacles there, so 4 plugs, and the skimmer will be right about here, and the UV light, and then the cord will go sort of underground, then up to that, or it'll be hidden by rocks actually, and then there'll be lights in the pond that will also be plugged into that. The wire goes down, and then just underneath our siding there, it goes underneath our deck, and then over underneath our upper deck. Our upper deck. It goes underneath the siding there, and then just under our family room window, and then in through the garage right there, and then we go into my garage. Here's my two-wheel cart that has helped me move some rocks. Corey's old beetle body that he's working on. And the wire goes along here, and then into a box, which then goes into my 200 amp box in the house. And that's it.